does he have in here? A whole bunch of weird PV things. What's in here? Nothing really. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, hi there. Okay, we gotta escape this. Oh crap. Okay, let's just get out of here. Okay, that was an unsuccessful attempt. Hey guys, Sportshot here, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to steal printers from people, take them out of their base and put them in my base. So yeah, I'm a thief, so I don't have to, if I die I don't have to lose one of my own lockpicks. I can just keep taking the one that the government's giving me, because that's how this game works. Yeah, Crispy is in the game, that's another thing. I don't know. Okay. So I'm just gonna get my jetpack and go find a place to rob. Okay, so the place that usually has printers in it is this factory thing over here. And I'm going to try to steal from this first. Let me see. I don't think did anyone claim it? No, it might still have something in it though. Because people just put their printers wherever they want, really. Okay, there's nothing in there. Let's head over here to the second town. Oh, there's a loot box. I'm going to take that. Okay, let's see what we get. Probably nothing that good. I think we just got cash. Yeah. Okay, 1,000 cash, not that bad. Okay. Let's move on to the main town. I don't know, there might be a place with printers in the main town. I have no idea. What? There's only one node that's been claimed in this game so far. There's nowhere. Okay, so there's something in here. So I'm gonna unequip my jetpack so I don't die and lose it. And I'll see what I can get from it. Oh, share my username. Okay, that's a bunk. Okay, we are lock picking now, and we got through it. And he just has a door going into a wall, cause why not? Okay, now I can use this maybe. This glitch. No, it's not working. But I cannot see anything in here. Is this a door? No, it's a wall. Okay, yeah, he probably used the node glitch. I have another video on that if you want to see it. Hello. Okay. Okay, somebody started building over here. I doubt they're gonna have any printers though. There's Jeff there, but no printers. Okay, I'm just gonna fly around in this jetpack, because why not? Oh god, there's a lot of people over here. Is Crispy here? Probably not. Oof. Okay, let me just say I'm recording it now, because why not, you know? Okay, but so where is Crispy? 'Cause I don't know. Okay, so there might be something up here. I don't see anything in there. No. Okay, and there's nothing in there. What about in here? Nope. There's something in here, maybe. Yep, he has a door back there. And I'm fairly sure that he would have a printer, because why wouldn't he? Okay, let me see what I can get. Does he have anything back there? It doesn't look like it, but we're gonna try to steal it anyway. Yeah, he's going to shoot me. That's a rip in that chat. Okay. Good thing I unequipped my jetpack. Okay. So I see another place over there. So I'm going to go and steal from it, because why not? Oof, he's a bounty hunter. I don't see anything in there. I just left this door open. And I'm fairly sure that I'll be able to steal from him. I don't think he's down here right now, so I'm gonna close that door just in case. Okay, so just lockpick this door. Okay, it's open. What does he have in here? A whole bunch of weird TV things. What's in here? Nothing really. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, hi there. Okay, we gotta escape this. Oh crap. Okay, let's just get out of here. Okay, that was an unsuccessful attempt at robbing. I mean, we could probably kill him. Why not? Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so he doesn't have printers on his node. So, yeah. Okay, I see another one over here. Doesn't look like he would have any printers. He doesn't. There's no printers here. This is really annoying. Okay, what about this place? He might have printers. Let's check. I don't think he would. Nope. It doesn't. Okay. What about in here? I don't know, this guy might have printers. This is a popular location to put them, 'cause, yeah. Okay, it's a mafia base, so it most likely do have them. Let's just walk on through. Crap, I don't have any C4, so I won't be able to really rob them. Okay, this is extremely unsuccessful. So, oh, there's a whole base over here. Can you see? Nope, it's blocked off and I do not have C4. Okay. Who are these people? He's already shooting at me. Oh, there's people over here. On a note. Oh, no, it's just that same guy. Crap, okay. It's gotta be somebody at the factory now, right over there. So I'm going to go check on that. Don't see a node. So, what is happening? Okay. Yeah, no, it's still empty. Okay, I give up. There's literally no printers here. Like, why doesn't anybody have printers? Oh, this guy over here might have one now. I don't know. Healing boy, okay. So it's like a hospital thing. Actually, wait, no, before I do this, I'm gonna go look at the side door. Good luck getting it. Yes, I'm pretty sure he doesn't have anything on his note. Okay. Do I have any? I don't think I have any throwaway guns. So. I don't know. I'm just going to try to thief this again. And that didn't work. Okay. Well, thank you, whoever that guy is. Okay, that's about it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. That was the video. Yeah, that's about it.